In today's video, I'm sharing an easy tuna cakes or patties that are ready in 15 minutes. Make these easy tuna patties on your lazy weeknights when you are not sure what to eat for dinner. Yes, I know, we all have those days when we don't know what to eat. A great part of this recipe is that it only needs 10 ingredients. These ingredients are found in most pantries, and if you don't have one, don't sweat. I will leave a list of substitutions in the description box. Let me know in the comments what are other ways you normally eat canned tuna. To prepare this recipe, we are going to drain our tuna cans to remove all the water from them, and we will going to add it to a mixing bowl. If you see that there are big chunks of tuna, you can break it up with a fork. Now add all the remaining ingredients: the parsley, your panko breadcrumbs, garlic powder, salt and pepper, Dijon mustard, and an egg, and mix until combined. At this point, you can add any other flavor variations to your tuna patties. Once everything is mixed, form the tuna patties. Using a 1/4 cup measuring cup, take some butter and then form the patties over a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Here's a tip. If you have some time, you can place them in the fridge for a couple of minutes. This will ensure that it does not separate when cooking. Now let's get cooking. Heat a non-stick skillet to medium heat. You can also use a griddle if you want to cook all of them at once. Lightly spray some oil. Add the tuna cakes to the skillet and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side or until golden brown. Do this in batches to avoid overcrowding the pan. Try not to move them too much because they will likely start separating. The less flipping, the better. Remove from the pan and serve immediately. Here are some recipe variations. To make it spicy, you can add some chili flakes, diced jalapeno, or some hot sauce. You could also add some cheese. This will help the mixture also bind together. Add some veggies, around 1/2 cup. It could be shredded carrots, zucchini, diced bell peppers, grated onions, or even corn kernels. Ensure all your ingredients are finely chopped. This will ensure that they will not separate when cooking. You could serve them with some rice, a side salad. Use a lettuce wrap, add your favorite toppings. You could add a side of roasted veggies, sliced avocado. You could even cook them in tomato sauce. You can make sandwiches from them or even wraps. You can also use dipping sauces like the traditional tartar sauce. You can also use garlic aioli, mayonnaise, hot sauce, or even sriracha mayo. That will be good. And there you have it. These quick and easy tuna cakes are the perfect appetizer, snack, or main dish to serve for your family. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Remember, the full printable recipe is on my website nashifood.com, and you can find the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep sharing your love for food. Bye!